Here's a step-by-step guide on how to start a bookkeeping business. Step 1. Determine your niche and services. Consider the services you'll offer, your target market, and your competition. You may choose to specialize in a specific industry or provide a range of services such as bookkeeping, accounting, payroll, and tax preparation. Step 2. Create a business plan. A business plan will help you clarify your goals, identify your target market, and establish a pricing strategy. This plan should include a financial projection, marketing plan, and operational plan. Step 3. Register your business and obtain the necessary licenses and permits required by your state and local government. This may include a business license, tax registration, and any professional certifications you may need. Step 4. Research your competition and determine your pricing strategy. Consider the time and resources required to provide your services, as well as the value you'll provide to your clients. Step 5. Set up your office and purchase the necessary equipment, such as a computer, accounting software, and a printer. Step 6. Create a website and marketing materials, including business cards, brochures, and flyers. Develop a marketing plan to reach potential clients. Step 7. Network with other professionals and join local business organizations to connect with potential clients. Consider offering an introductory rate to attract new clients. Step 8. Develop a set of processes and procedures for onboarding new clients, maintaining accurate records, and managing client relationships. Consider using cloud-based accounting software to streamline your processes. Step 9. Stay up to date on industry trends and continue to build your skills by attending industry conferences and obtaining additional certifications. Starting a bookkeeping business requires careful planning, attention to detail, and ongoing effort to grow and maintain your client base. With a solid business plan and a commitment to providing high-quality services, you can build a successful bookkeeping business.